which means a ring. Thus, limbic system is applied for that parts of cortex and subcortical structures that form a ring around brainstem. Limbic cortex or limbic lobe surrounds the subcortical structures of the limbic system. Phylogenetically, limbic cortex is an older part of the cerebral cortex having a primitive histological structures. The limbic system is composed of orbitofrontal cortex, subcallosal gyrus, cingulate gyrus, parahippocampal gyrus, and uncus. And some of the subcortical structures included under limbic system are hypothalamus, septum, paraolfactory areas, anterior nucleus of thalamus, amygdala, portions of basal ganglia, and hippocampus. So these are the structures which are involved in the limbic system. These are the cortical areas like orbitofrontal cortex, subcallosal gyrus, cingulate gyrus, parahippocampal gyrus, which forms the ring, and some of the subcortical structures like portions of basal ganglia, anterior nucleus of thalamus, septum area, hippocampus, hypothalamus, paraolfactory area, and amygdala form subcortical structures. Connections of limbic system, the Pepper circuit. The Pepper circuit refers to a closed circuit formed by connections between cingulate gyrus, which is located in the prefrontal lobe, hippocampus, mammillary bodies, and anterior nucleus of thalamus. It links limbic system with hypothalamus and thalamus. This circuit is responsible for resting EEG and plays an important role in control of genesis of emotions. Information passes from the cingulate gyrus to the hippocampus and then from via the fornix to the mammillary bodies in the hypothalamus. The mammillothalamic tract then connects the hypothalamus with the anterior thalamic nuclei, which projects back to cingulate gyrus. Here you can see the circuit of Pepys circuit, where it's a closed circuit where the information from precallosal part of the cingulate gyrus, that is area 24, which is located in the prefrontal lobe, goes to the hippocampus. Via fornix it reaches mammillary bodies in the hypothalamus, and via mammillothalamic tract it reaches the anterior nucleus thalamus back to the cingulate gyrus. Some of the functions of limbic system. They are involved in autonomic functions. Stimulation of many parts of the limbic system, especially that of amygdala, produces autonomic responses such as change in the cardiovascular, respiratory, and gastrointestinal system through hypothalamus. It controls or it helps in the regulation of the feeding behavior. Limbic system regulates feeding behavior mainly through hypothalamus and amygdala. It is also responsible for emotional behavior. Limbic system is concerned with various emotions, including emotions of fear, rage, reward, and punishment. It helps in the regulation of sexual behavior. Sexual behavior, the basic sex drive, is a function of limbic system and the hypothalamus, which in turn are influenced by gonadal hormones and cerebral cortex. It is also very important for motivational behavior. Motivational behavior is also an important function of